Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode on your Nintendo Switch 2. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you don't really like the light mode on your Nintendo Switch 2. You want it to have a more darker theme. How do you actually go ahead and turn on dark mode on your Nintendo Switch 2? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But the first thing that we're going to do is that we're going to go ahead and open up the settings option located right over here. Next, you want to scroll all the way down and you want to scroll down to where it says themes. So themes is located right over here. Now, this is the really important step, guys. You're going to have two different themes here, okay? So you have the basic light mode and then you have the basic dark mode. So if you click on the basic light mode, this is the current theme that you see right over here. But if you click on basic dark mode, that is going to turn on dark mode for your Nintendo Switch 2. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn on dark mode on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.